Welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about the physiological causes of hiccups. They're caused by involuntary contraction of the diaphragm with corresponding contraction of the vocal cords. And so when the diaphragm contracts, the patient gasps, and when the vocal cords contract, they make the hic sound. As for the triggers, drinking carbonated beverages seems to be the most common, followed by drinking alcohol and eating excessively. Other common causes include getting excited emotionally and sudden change in temperature. Rarely, hiccups can be pathological, and they can result from irritation or damage to specific nerves. Most commonly, gastroesophageal reflex, thyroid goiter, laryngitis, or a tumor. These, however, can only cause long-lasting hiccups that would normally last for more than a day. Thank you guys so much for watching.